If you want to get really good at special angles, you could use this program in the lab. Students are much better at it than I, and I will probably make some mistakes here. But let me just demonstrate it for you. I could write the program, but using it is another story, because as I've shown you, I have to think through slowly what trig value is what. So say we were trying to get really good at the sine function. I could click the sine here, and it says that the timer starts now. And program will give me the sine of pi over 3. Now that's going to be opposite over hypotenuse with a reference, so it's going to be the square root of 3 over 2. And I click in, since I actually thought about it, it gives me the y value of the point for there. And now I take a new angle, and it's going to give me the sine of 45. I know that that one is the same as its complement, so that is the sine of that one. New angle, the sine of 3 pi over 4, still also the same. Sine of 0 is 0. The sine of 5 pi over 4 is the same as pi over 4 in the first quadrant, but it's negative. New angle, 4 pi over 3, it's going to be the same as pi over 3, except it's going to be in the third quadrant, so it's going to be going down. So it's going to be negative the square root of 3 over 2. Again, negative the square root of 3 over 2. 2 pi over 3 is going to be the same as pi over 3 in the first quadrant. New angle, sine of 2 pi is 0. Sine of 7 pi over 6, that's going to be the same as 30-degree angle in the first quadrant. Oops, I told you I got the sign wrong. It should have been negative. Never mind, it's going to ask me that one again. The sine of pi over 2 is 1. The sine of pi is 0. The sine of 7 pi over 4 is negative that. The sine of pi over 6 is going to be positive 1/2. This one's negative 1/2, the one I missed before. Positive 1/2. Negative 1. Looks like one more angle. This would be a negative 1/2. And now, since all the special angles are completed, the program will connect the dots and show one period of the sine function. Some students get really good at this. When I push end, it's going to tell me how many seconds it took. But I think I closed out accidentally. Thanks. Bye.